Alright, so today we're going to be continuing on with multiplying binomials. You got a brief introduction to this on Friday with the Yay Math video. He went over a couple examples and kind of explained the concept to you. So I'm going to explain that once more and go over a few examples with you guys, just to make sure you understand it, and then you'll have this one-page worksheet with 24 problems to complete today. Alright, so when we are multiplying binomials, we are going to use the FOIL method. So what that means is we use the first letter to remember, F-O-I-L, first, outer, inner, last. So when I have x plus 2, my first binomial, multiplied by x plus 4, my second binomial, I'm going to use the FOIL method to multiply my first term in each binomial, so x times x, giving me x squared, so that's my f, okay? Then I'm going to do my outer, so I'm going to take this x, my outer one, multiplying by the outer term of my second binomial, so x times 4 is going to give me 4x, that's my O. Then I'm going to go on to the inner term, so 2, so it's two inner terms, 2 times x, giving me 2x, that's my I. And then last, we're going to do the last term on each of them, so 2 and 4, we're going to multiply 2 and 4, sorry it's kind of hard to see that, so that's going to give us positive 8. And that's our L. So we've got our F, O, I, and L. Now all we're doing is combining like terms. So like terms are those that have the same variable with the same exponent. So looking here, I have x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. The only like terms that I have in this one are going to be 4x and 2x. So my x squared is going to stay the same. 4x plus 2x gives me 6x. And then I have my plus 8, that's going to also stay the same. So my final answer is x squared plus 6x plus 8. I'm going to try another example together. So number 2, I have y plus 5 times y plus 1. So I'm going to start with my f, my first term on both. So y times y, giving me y squared. That's my f. Then my outer terms, so y times 1, which is going to give us plus y, that's my O. Then my inner term, so 5 times y, which is going to give me 5y, that's my I. And then my last term, so 5 and 1, 5 times 1, it's going to give me 5, that's my L. So I've got my F, O, I, L. So now I'm going to combine like terms. The only like terms I have are going to be y and 5y, so I still have y squared. Y plus 5y gives me 6y, and then I still have plus 5 at the end, so y squared plus 6y plus 5. And I wanted to quickly mention something on numbers 23 through 24. So looking at number 22, I have x plus 4, that binomial squared. So before you do anything, you want to rewrite this out. So it's going to be x plus 4 times x plus 4. Now we can go ahead and use our FOIL method. So FOIL, first term on both of our binomials, so x times x gives me x squared. O is going to be my outer, so x times 4 plus 4x. I is my inner, so 4 times x. It's going to give me 4x again. And then my last term, so I have 4 times 4, which is going to be positive 16. Now combining like terms, I have 4x and 4x, so still have x squared. 4x plus 4x gives me 8x, and then still have plus 16. So x squared plus 8x plus 16.